Hey, it's Jeff with JC Audio in Jackson, Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about Uconnect screens. Now, if you drive a Chrysler that's got a broken screen in it, or it looks like this, and it's got this chemical leaking into the screen, or it presses buttons on its own, check this video out. You can see where it's pushing buttons without anybody even controlling the screen. So if you've got one of these, they're really expensive to replace from the dealership, but we do in-house repairs on Uconnect screen. So we can take the entire thing apart and replace the broken parts and have you in and out in one day. If you've got one of these vehicles with a non-functional Uconnect screen, give us a call or text us at the shop, 731-660-2834. You can find us on the web at jacksoncaraudio.com, or you can swing by the shop at 58A Carriage House Drive in Jackson, Tennessee. Thanks for watching.